Main Street Bridge. Main Street Bridge. This is Selling Visiting Doris, westbound.
Main Street Bridge Cap, go ahead, over.
You're still up on the bridge at noon, right?
Been hailing the Main Street Bridge, go ahead, over.
Yeah, you'll still be opening the bridge at noon, right?
We open precisely at noon, Captain. If you missed that one, the next one will be at 4:15, roger.
Okay, I'm westbound. I'll be there. I'll be standing by on 9.
You're wanting to go through at noon, Captain, over.
Yes, sir. Westbound, yes.
And the name of the vessel, over.
The sailing vessel Doris.
Did you say Doris?
Yes.
Roger, Captain. Stay on channel 9. We need to communicate. We'll get the opening going at noon. Main Street Bridge, stand by, channel 9. 16 out.
Right to your left up here, you'll see a fireboat. They put out ships on fire, ships on boats. Anyway, they're pretty much standard elevated over the seas, over the world. I guess he's giving a demonstration. Okay, so if you can hear the bells, they're stopping traffic, getting ready to stop traffic. That means the gates are coming down and they're getting ready to open the bridge. I have a tug and a barge waiting back here for it. Sailboat eastbound, and a powerboat, 2 powerboats. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and speed up here. Alright, getting ready. They got the car stop and we're getting ready. How's your mom?
Captain of the Doris. We've started your opening, captains. Please transit the bridge at your discretion. Main Street Bridge, stand by, channels 9, 16, out. Thank you, from Sukla. Thank you, from Sukla.
Main Street Bridge. This is the Doris. Thank you, Claire. Have a nice day. Standing by on 9.
After that, Captain Doris, you'll have a safe day out there on the river. Main Street Bridge, stand by, channels 9, 16 out.
So anyway, this next section, I kind of speeded up a little bit. It's kind of boring between the bridges. And anyway, there's a lot of bridges down here. The further south you go in the intercoastal or in Florida, the more bridges you get. I mean, there becomes points where they're like every mile. But up here on the north, there's not too many bridges. They're usually usually on request, but some open on the hour, after the hour. It just depends on the bridge, and you just have to research it out. So anyway, most bridges are six. Just like this tall bridge up in front of us is 65 feet high. Like the railroad bridge is 5 feet, and the Main Street bridge just went through is normally I think a 42. Well, anyway, I got like a 46 foot mast, but and that's pretty well standard, except if you get in this ship's channel, like some bridges we go under is 125 feet high, and that's because of the obviously the height of the ships. So anyway, the big ships don't have to ask permission to open bridges. They all go through under small, tall bridges. All the lift operators you talk to, some of them are male and some of them are female, but as a rule, they're all really super people. Every once in a while, you'll get some that get kind of crowded. It's had a bad day, but overall, they're pretty cool people.
People more athletic here. You see them running, bicycling. Oh, those are cops on bicycles. Anyway, cool. Here we're going to go through the FCC railroad bridge. We don't have to ask permission here. That's either up or it's down. They don't, and it stays up. It stays up all the time when they're not using it. But it seems like a couple times an hour it'll come down on you. There's a sign to the right says bridge closed for repairs 1:30 to 2:10, and that's the reason I had to come home early, because the bridge is going to be closed for repairs for like 10 days there, or more, 10 or 12 days. Anyway. Okay, and that's it for that. Now we're on the home stretch. We got some more bridges, but they're all 65 foot, so we don't have to ask permission. And we're about 35 miles from home.